Alright, Lucid Mattress unboxing. So remove the plastic packaging with the easy opener. Don't cut your mattress. Let it sit for 48 hours and then go to sleep. We'll try not to damage the mattress here. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. The user manual. Oh, it's got the old shanker right there. You can use that to open it, put away the old gun knife, and use this to safely open it without slicing a hole in the mattress. Arr. Open up here, you box. Alright, so now we're just going to slice through that and I suppose jump out of the way so it doesn't knock us over. That works well. This mattress was about $200. It's a twin size. Pop, that's the big one. Pop, that's the other big one. Whoa! Look out, tripods. Oh, now it's starting to inflate. It's coming alive. Oh. Okay, that's a slight bit creepy. So now we're going to put it on a flat surface and just let it grow. I'm going to lay it down on top of the old mattress and then go away for 2 entire days before you're allowed to sleep on it. And then there you go. Mattress engaged. So this is within a couple of minutes of opening the box. It's already fully inflated. We're just going to let it sit here and breathe for 2 days.